Tubi is an American over-the-top content platform and ad-supported streaming service owned by Fox Corporation, offering online streaming from a library of films and television series for free. The service was launched on April 1, 2014 and is based in San Francisco, California. As of January 2021, Tubi has 33 million monthly active users. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. Today I'm back with another interesting tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of registering for the Tubi. So if you want to find out how you can do so, then make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, make sure you have already downloaded the app in your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, then iOS user need to go to the App Store and Android user need to go to the Google Play Store to download the app. After that, search for the app Tubi. So here's the app that you are searching for. Now you need to tap on Get option. Instead of Open option, you'll be able to see Get option. Once it has been downloaded, you can see Open option, and to open it, you need to tap on it. Now you are asked to select 3 or more genres that interest you. Select the 3 genres and after that tap on Create My Feed. To register, you need to tap on My Stuff section that can be seen at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, you can either continue with email, continue with Google, with Facebook or with Apple. Here I'll be going with email. Now to register, you need to enter your first name, your email address, create a password and then enter your age and gender. Once you have entered the details, tap on Register and there you go, your account has been registered. Now if you tap on My Stuff section at the bottom right, you'll be able to see your account. So this is how you can register for Tubi. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel How to Geek. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.